What's the meaning of cold store? Cold store. Cold store.
Cold store. Cold store. The term cold store typically refers to a facility used for the storage of perishable goods at low temperatures. These facilities are commonly used in the food industry to preserve food items such as meat, fish, fruits, and vegetables. Cold stores are designed to maintain a specific temperature range which inhibits the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms that lead to spoilage. By providing a controlled temperature and humidity environment, cold stores help to extend the shelf life of perishable goods and prevent waste.